our viewers. We are back on your screens once again. Today we have something special for you because we've noticed something that people are always exercising to lose weight. They are climbing mountains, they are hiking, going on treks, exercising. They always want to lose weight. But we can also gain weight. There are other people who are also trying very hard to gain weight because of their slim nature and how they are. So today our reaction is about gaining weight, ways and what we can do to gain weight. So Sweet Ajele has something special for us which we are come to break it down. Okay, let's watch the video and come back.
Our first ingredient is banana, which is an excellent source of carbohydrates and very high in calories. One banana contains up to 105 calories and about 27 grams of carbs. To that, we'll add some avocado. Avocados are high in fat and also an excellent source of potassium, folate, and fiber, which we need to put on the pounds. Next ingredient, peanuts. Although peanuts are high in fat, it doesn't really help you gain too much weight, but adding a spoonful of peanuts to your diet every day adds up to 500 calories, and that is what the plan is to pile up the calorie and in turn gain some weight. Adding oatmeal to this smoothie is super healthy because it contains a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which lowers blood glucose and cholesterol. So as we're putting the fatty stuff into our system, we'll be using the...
Wow! Hey! So we have different types of people in this world.
Yeah.
Some are trying very hard to lose weight, whilst others want to gain weight. I know of somebody who is very, very slim and wanted to gain weight. She has tried so many means, but she's so slim macho. Gain weight. So today...
Do you know one secret? the man behind the camera is also a slim person.
Our production team members, they are all slim macho. You want to gain weight, production manager? So fine. Sweet Ajele, thank you for trying to help all kinds of people. If they want to lose weight, they are there.
Yeah.
If they want to put on weight, they are there. So the combination she used was so great.
And so simple.
And it was super healthy. Yes, weight gain recipe.
Yeah.
So all those who want to gain weight, please check Sweet Ajele's
Video.
that video, and then you'll be able to gain weight within a short period of time. So if you are looking to gain weight, good, are good to go. So she used banana.
Okay.
And banana can make you gain weight. Most people do not know.
Yeah, I know.
You know. So if you are the type that eats banana, you are trying to be a monkey. At the end of the day, you gain weight.
Especially at night, before bed.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
Yeah. So that is it. So she used banana and she used avocado, large avocado pear, and then she used pear nuts. All these things, or the fruits, they can help you gain weight.
Yeah.
Then she used oatmeal and then evaporated milk, and then 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of honey. So that is the recipe she used, and then you just blend everything and start drinking. I think she said her son or her daughter, or I forgot, she was put on this diet for some time and everything was reversed. So I think it's a good thing she has done. I've never thought that she will come up with these recipes that will help all kinds of people. So kudos to you, Sweet Ajele. And so where are those who are looking to gain weight? Yes, let's gather here and try this recipe.
Do you think I should gain weight? I want to lose weight.
You want to gain weight?
No, I want to lose weight.
Me too. I feel like gaining some weight too.
Because the last time I climbed the weighing scale, you see, I've gained a lot of weight.
You have to lose weight, but
I have to.
Production manager,
he needs to gain weight.
They all need to gain weight because they are just slim.
Because what we are saying, they need to gain weight.
So yes, there are certain types of people like that who are doing everything. Some are even on drugs to eat more food so that they can gain weight.
On daily supplements.
The result is bad. So this is just a simple. I like the natural things, and this is just a simple. Just put everything into the blender, blend, and start taking, and you gain much weight. So this is all we have for you.
Yeah, that's all. That's all.
Yeah. So all the weight gainers, let's gather here and gain weight fast. Production team, please go home, blend everything. You've heard it all. The bananas.
We are looking forward to it.
And gain weight. So thank you, viewers. We thank you all our returning subscribers. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. If you like our videos, like and share our videos, and please check Sweeter Daily. And we'll see you in our next video. But keep exercising, drink more water, sleep well, don't be a late sleeper, and don't be in sleep debt too. All these things will add up to our healthy life. Until then, it's a bye.